the daybreak. Today is the 66th anniversary of our independence. Today is more important for the natives of this place because today they are going to see their most beloved minister at a close distance. It will not go wrong if you say the people here didn't sleep yesterday in anticipation of the arrival of their minister. The party men come in the early morning itself to give the final touch-up of their work done last day. Now, watch out.
Ajnanina maya doshan seshan vihitan hare Kshamasvatvam se.
We want at least 6 chairs on the stage. We have only 4 at present. Hey Murgesh, you go to the president's house and get more chairs. Yes sir, I'm on it. Buddy, have you seen? That girl didn't go from here. She is sleeping there. Wake her up and drive her away. Or she may spoil the entire function. Hey, there is blood all around. She seems to have been dead. Oh no, it happened what we were afraid of. She spoiled our function. The damn girl. Didn't she get any other place today? How will the minister come and hoist the bus at such a sordid place like this? Amid the police inquiry and formality. Hold it. Don't make the situation worse. Now that we see are in reach, we can handle it easily.
How?
Take the body of the girl, put it in that waste bin. The problems will be had as they are chartered. Then do it fast.
Our most beloved minister, who all of us waiting for, has reached in our town, and the programs will be held as were scheduled. I hereby invite the Honorable Minister to host the flag fest.
തിന്നും കുടിച്ചും കൂട്ടാടിയും നാം ആഘോഷങ്ങൾ ആസ്വദിക്കുമ്പോൾ വലിച്ചെറിയപ്പെടുന്ന എച്ചിൽ കഷ്ണങ്ങളെങ്കിലും ഒരു നേരത്തെ ഭക്ഷണത്തിന് കിട്ടിയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എന്ന് കൊതിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വലിയ വിഭാഗം ജനം നമ്മുടെ ഇടയിലുണ്ട്. അവരുടെ കണ്ണുനീരിനെ അവഗണിച്ചുള്ള ഏതൊരാഘോഷവും അഭിമാനമല്ല, അപമാനമാണ് ഭാരതാംബയ്ക്ക്. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദിനത്തിലെങ്കിലും ഈ തിരിച്ചറിവ് നമുക്കുണ്ടാവട്ടെ.